सो लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने कहाँ तक किया था? इसको याद नहीं है। So multiplication of matrices. So first of all, tell me, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll start from here. Transpose of a matrix. So what is transpose? So if you see the definition, transpose of a matrix. So let A be a M cross N matrix, then transpose of A is denoted by A dash or A transpose. A dash or T. You can write A T or A dash. And it is defined as A dash is equal to Bij. Order will be N cross M. So A has order M cross N. So its transpose will have order N cross M, where Bij is equal to Aji. So let me write in a better way. So what I'm saying, we are discussing transpose. So A I have is a matrix of order M cross N. Okay. So A transpose denoted by AP or A dash will be a N cross M matrix. And it will be AJI. So Aij, AJI. Okay, this is N cross M. A transpose or A dash this. So for example, suppose I have matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 2 cross 3 matrix. So A transpose is going to be, so A transpose is going to be 3 cross 2. So A is 2 cross 3. So transpose will be 3 cross 2. And what you do in transpose? You interchange rows and columns. So in what if I write? So transpose of a matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. So you can remember this definition. Interchanging rows and columns. So we interchange row and column. So like first row will be converted at first column, and second row will be second column. Okay, so first column will be first row, second column second row, and third column third row. Okay. So A is 2 cross 3, then A transpose will be 3 cross 2 matrix. Similarly, suppose B I have like A, B, C, D. So B transpose will be what? It's a 2 cross 2. So obviously it will be 2 cross 2 only. A, B, C, D. So interchanging rows and columns. Row interchange into column. Okay. So I think transpose is clear. So let me see the properties. So if A is your matrix, like this is a matrix, 3 rows and 4 column. So transpose is 4 row and 3 column. So 1 row, it converts into 1 column. Second row, convert into second column. Third row, convert into third column. So the properties, we have results of properties. So first property is for any A transpose transpose. So transpose, you take again transpose. So you will interchange rows and columns, and again you will interchange rows and columns. So at last you will get the A only. So taking transpose twice is same as A. So lambda is some constant. So here is saying lambda A transpose. So lambda will be as it is, it will be A transpose. Now again A plus B whole transpose is same as A transpose plus B transpose. A minus B whole transpose is same as A transpose minus B transpose for two compatible matrices A and B. Similarly, you can generalize this. A1 plus minus A2 plus minus A3 plus minus up to AN transpose is same as A1 transpose plus minus A2 transpose and so on plus minus AN transpose, where AI are compatible. Comparable. Comparable means what? They have the same order actually. So they must have the same order. So comparable means they have the same order. So you can add only two matrices if they have the same order. So what we are discussing, like A transpose transposes A plus B transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. A minus B transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. Constant time, like lambda time. We can say lambda time. Lambda time A whole transpose is lambda into A transpose. And after that, A into B whole transpose is B transpose into A transpose. So notice that AB transpose is not equal to A transpose B transpose. And you can verify all this example by taking example. I mean all these properties by taking example. You can choose A and B of same order. Then you can verify all the properties. Find LHS, find RHS, and you will find both are equal. Okay, so next what we have. Now there is new type symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So let's discuss symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. So simple square matrix such that A transpose is equal to A. Square matrix such that A transpose is equal to A. So, for example, A you take 1, 2, 2, 3. So now you find A transpose. So in transpose, what we do? We interchange row as column. We interchange other row as other column. And you can see both matrices are equal. You can see both matrices have same element, same order, and same corresponding element. You can see 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. So this is A is equal to A transpose. That's why it is symmetric. So how can I write it? Like suppose B, I want to write a 3 cross 3 symmetric matrix. So symmetric means A transpose should be equal to A. So in transpose, what we do? Interchange row and column. So we just have to know a trick. Okay, row and column must be equal. The first row and first column must be equal. Second row and second column must be equal. Then after interchanging, it will be same. It will produce the same matrix. Okay, so yeah, so any one of you tell me a 3 cross 3 matrix which is symmetric. So there are infinitely many matrices, okay? You just have to tell one. Any one of you, please tell me a 3 cross 3 symmetric matrix. So you know the definition, no? Definition is A transpose is equal to A. In transpose, what we do? We interchange rows and columns. So try, okay? Everyone please try and tell me one example. So you randomly write any matrix 3 cross 3 and check when you can make it symmetric. So what changes you can do? So do that required changes. ओके, तुम लोग को समझ आया ट्रांसपोज क्या है और सिमेट्री क्या है? कोई एक बताओ, ठीक है, अदरवाइज मैं आगे कंटिन्यू नहीं कर रहा, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक यू हैव अटेंशन हियर.
Yes, sir.
Tell me one example of symmetric matrix, otherwise I will stop class only here. So जब समझ आ जाए और जब पढ़ने का मूड हो, so we'll continue in the next class, okay? If you are not able to write them. So I said the square matrix such that A transpose equal to A. So what is transpose? So in transpose we interchange row and column. So interchange row and column. So row को column, जो column है obviously वो row बनेगा, जो column है row बनेगा, row है वो column बनेगा. अब क्या करना है कि so after interchanging rows and columns, so symmetric matrix is what? A such type of matrix where A transpose becomes equal to A. So I have given one example of 2 cross 2. Like मैंने कहा क्या ध्यान रखना है, जो first row हो वही first column, जो second row हो वही second column. So you will get the transpose same. So I said you to write one 3 cross 3 matrix. So anyone able to write it? Please tell me one example.
सर एग्जाम्पल दिखाओ ना एक बार.
Yeah, this is the example. चलो एक और मैं बताता हूँ, एक समझो. जैसे मान लो सपोज आई टेक x y z. सो x y तुम कुछ भी ले सकते हो, ठीक है, 2 3 4 समथिंग, एनी नंबर यू वांट. सो हमें क्या ध्यान रखना है, हम सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स बना रहे हैं. सो वी हैव टू टेक केयर दैट A ट्रांसपोज मस्ट बी A. सो उसके लिए मुझे पता है कि ट्रांसपोज A लाना है मुझे, है ना. वी हैव टू राइट सच एन एग्जांपल इन व्हिच A ट्रांसपोज विल बी इक्वल टू A. सो फर्स्ट रो x y z, तो फर्स्ट कॉलम भी x y z होना चाहिए. हमने ऐसा बनाया. So XYZ, so XY, you can see XYZ, XYZ. So we have to do in such a way that the row and column same answer दे. तो
सर मेरा हो गया, मैं बोलूं एग्जाम्पल.
रुको, लाइक यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ, जैसे मान लो आप P Q, तो यहाँ मुझे Q रखना है. सो दैट अब क्या होगा, देखो सेकेंड रो जो है ना वही सेकेंड Q रो कॉलम बना. YPQ तो YPQ. यहाँ you can put anything like R or something will not be found. So तुम देख सकते हो जो थर्ड कॉलम है वही थर्ड रो होगा, जो थर्ड कॉलम है वही थर्ड रो होगा. So you just have to make same row and same column. ठीक है, तो यहाँ क्या होगा Q. ओके, हाँ बताओ जिसने एग्जांपल बनाया, सो टेल मी वन एग्जांपल.
सर फर्स्ट रो में 1 2 3, सेकेंड रो में 2 3 4 और 3 4 5.
Yes, this is example. So when you take transpose, you can check when we take transpose. So 1 2 3 in the first row will be 1 2 3 in the second, 2 3 4, 2 3 4 and 3 4 5, 3 4 5, and we see that oh both are same. So you can simply check both are same. Both matrix remain C and C transpose are equal. So C is equal to C transpose. That means C is symmetric. C is symmetric matrix. Okay, so now let's come to the skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so next we have skew symmetric matrix. तो skew symmetric matrix में क्या होगा कि square matrix such that A transpose is equal to minus A. A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay, so one such example I can write in 2 cross 2. See, we have to make write matrix in such a way that transpose equal to negative. So like first of all means what? First row will be negative of first column. देखो सिमेट्रिक में क्या करते थे, A ट्रांसपोज A था, तो हम ध्यान रखते थे कि रो कॉलम इंटरचेंज करने पे सेम आंसर आना चाहिए, तो फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम को हमें सेम रखना था। अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि एक्चुअली नेगेटिव आना चाहिए। सो मान लो यहाँ पे तुम अगर ए बी रख रहे हो, सो फर्स्ट कॉलम उसका ठीक नेगेटिव होना चाहिए। तो फर्स्ट रो ए बी है तो फर्स्ट कॉलम उसका ठीक नेगेटिव, तो ए का नेगेटिव ए ही आएगा। ऐसा कब हो सकता है? जब जीरो होगा, तो यहाँ जीरो होना पड़ेगा। डायगोनल को हमेशा जीरो होना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि कोई नंबर जो खुद का नेगेटिव है वो सिर्फ जीरो ही है। तो ए बी यहाँ ए माइनस बी, तो यू कैन सी फर्स्ट रो है जीरो बी, फर्स्ट कॉलम इसका नेगेटिव जीरो माइनस बी, second row b0, third row the second column b0 and second row minus b0. So one such matrix I have written this, ठीक है, in 2 cross 2. अगर 3 cross 3 का लिखता हूँ, so see, so first of all you remember all diagonal element will be 0. How we can prove it also? Okay, so we can prove this also. So suppose you write here x y, so here you write minus x minus y, because you want first row and first column to be negative of each other. So here you write suppose minus z, so you have to write z here, or here you write minus z, then you write plus z here, because just negative you want. Now you can check, find A transpose. A transpose will be first row is 0b, here first column 0b, this will be first column 0b, and second row is minus b0, the second column this. It transposes interchanging rows and columns. Okay, B transpose you take 0xy minus x 0z minus y minus z 0. So now A transpose you take minus common, or you calculate separately minus A. You calculate separately minus A. So A you have 0b minus b0, so minus 0 minus b b0. You separately calculate minus b. Just multiply 0 minus x minus y, x 0 minus z, and y z 0. So you can check, oh, A transpose is equal to minus A, and you can check B transpose is minus B. So means A is symmetric and B is symmetric. So A is symmetric, sorry, not symmetric, symmetric, skew symmetric, right?
सर नहीं समझ रहा।
A is skew symmetric, B is skew symmetric. So symmetric समझ आया तुम्हें? symmetric क्या था? So
हाँ.
what was symmetric?
A transpose is equals to A.
What is a skew symmetric?
माइनस से कहाँ से लाने का, मतलब कैसे करने का उसको?
A transpose is minus A. So you write A in a, okay, what if I ask you question, if A is equal to, let me call it A, B, C, D, is skew symmetric. In general, A, B, C, D, you write any matrix. This is skew symmetric. Then question is, then find a relation between A, B, C, D. Okay. Yeah, question may be what are the conditions for which A will be skew symmetric? Okay.
Sir,
Then
how to write a negative matrix?
oh, how to write a negative matrix? So just you multiply by -1. Like A you want to write minus A. So it's a minus A, minus B, minus C, minus D. See here once again. So I have chosen this matrix. Diagonal 0 and this B minus B. So A transpose, you know how to write transpose. First row is 0B, so first column 0B. Second row minus B0, second column minus B0. Now find minus A. So minus A, how will you do? You multiply each element of matrix A by -1. So can you do so? Multiply each element of matrix A by -1. You multiply each element by -1, you'll get this minus A from here. You'll get minus B from here. Multiply each element of B by -1. Now we compare A and minus A transpose and minus B. Compare B and B transpose and minus B. And do you see both are equal? Compare B transpose and minus B. Compare A transpose and minus A. So such matrices we call skew symmetric.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay, so you just write one matrix, check the transpose, check the negative. If both are equal, transpose and negative, then we'll call it skew symmetric. Otherwise, not skew symmetric. If A transpose is equal to A itself, then it is symmetric. And it's just negative, then it's skew symmetric. So one property is that diagonal will be always 0 in case of skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so to make it a skew symmetric, you have to make this 0 and C will be just negative of B. Okay, so you can simply see and recognize it as a symmetric or skew symmetric. So in symmetric, first row and first column will be identical, I mean same. First, second row and second column will be same. Third row and third column will be same. Okay, so next. Let me discuss more. So it is more in this. So symmetric matrix, square matrix is said to be symmetric if A transposes A. So symmetric means Aij will be equal to Aj. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transposes minus. Means Aij is minus of Aj. So for example, you can see these two matrices A and B. So A, you can see the first row you have taken AHG, and first column we also AHG. Second is HBF, this is HBF. Third is GBC, and this is sorry GFC. Yeah, symmetric. You can see. So if you find row and column are equal, I mean first row is equal to first column, second row is equal to second column, third row is third. We call it symmetric. So means mathematical sense A transpose is equal to A. Here 0, you can see diagonals are 0, xy minus xy, z minus z. So you will find B transpose, that would you would get minus B. A transpose you will find you will get A. So that's why it is symmetric and that's why it is skew symmetric. Okay, so in skew symmetric matrix, all diagonal elements are 0. So why it happens? Because in general, skew symmetric is Aij is minus Aj. And for diagonal elements, so you know already diagonal elements like A11, A22, A33. So I will be equal to J. So Aii is equal to minus of Aii. So you bring it to left side. So aii plus aii is 0. So 2 times aii is 0. So aii would be 0. Okay, so aii will be 0. Okay, so aii will be equal to 0. So what I proved, diagonal elements are always 0 in skew symmetric. So in skew symmetric, A transpose is minus A. I started from here, then we proved this. And you know the property A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose, like this. Okay. So randomly you choose any matrix. Okay. So let me write randomly any matrix. Any you can write 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 9, 8, 7. So is it symmetric? Tell me yes or no. Is it symmetric? Is it symmetric matrix?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Is it a skew symmetric?
No.
No.
Yes, you can see first row is 5, 4, 3, first column is 5 to 9. Both are not same. That's why not symmetric. For the skew symmetric, diagonals must be 0 that are not 0. So it is neither symmetric nor skew symmetric. But corresponding to every matrix. So okay, you find A plus A transpose. You find A plus A transpose. A is already given. You know how to find transpose. Then add both and tell me finally A plus A transpose. Quickly tell me everyone. Then calculate A minus A transpose. So use your pen paper, है ना? So tell me A plus A transpose is what? A minus A transpose is what?
सर A ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा?
Oh, that's a very good question. So where were you when I was telling transpose? Yeah, read here. What is transpose?
अरे आई नो लाइक कैसे करते हैं, मैं पूछ रही हूँ इसमें कैसे होगा?
इसमें
इसमें सब
अरे तुम्हें मैट्रिक्स ए में उसका ट्रांसपोज ऐड करना है. सो ए इज व्हाट? पहले तो ए लिखना है मुझे. ए तो सेम रहेगा 5 4 3 2 1 6 9 8 7. अब ट्रांसपोज कैसे लिखना है? तो 5 4 3 2 1 6 9 8 7. क्या इसमें मुश्किल है? अब इसको ऐड करो दोनों मैट्रिक्स को.
हाँ ठीक है, शांति से थोड़ा प्लीज.
Everyone please add it and tell me the answer, okay? This is not much difficult thing. These are easy things. Add A in A transpose, okay? So A is already this, and transpose you interchange rows and columns, okay? So interchange rows and columns. Similarly, do A plus A minus A transpose. Sorry, here I should write minus. So similarly, write A plus A transpose and write A minus A transpose. Tell me both.
Done.
Yeah, what is A plus A transpose? You add both matrix and tell me the answer.
So 10, 6, 12, down 6, 2, 14, 12, 14, 14.
Okay. Similarly, you calculate the difference. So of the same matrix, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 9, 8, 7, and 5, 2, 9, 4, 1, 8, 3, 6, 7. So you calculate the difference.
Sir, 0,
0,
2,
2,
minus 6.
hmm,
Then in the second row, minus 2, 0, minus 2. And in the third row, 6, 2, and 0.
okay. So now my question is, A plus A transpose is what? Symmetric or skew symmetric? Symmetric or skew symmetric? And A minus A transpose is what? Symmetric or skew symmetric?
So A plus A transport is symmetric and A minus A transport is skew symmetric.
Right. So A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Okay. And A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. So means what? You choose any A. So I have written randomly. Okay. You can take any A. So what I can say, for any square matrix, for any square matrix A plus A transpose is symmetric. A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix, and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay, for any. So you can also write like A is equal to half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. So you add half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. So, and you can see also कि A plus A ट्रांसपोज सिमेट्रिक है तो उसका हाफ भी सिमेट्रिक होगा, तो ये वाला हमेशा सिमेट्रिक रहेगा. This matrix will be skew symmetric. So any matrix, any square matrix you can choose. Any square matrix can be written as symmetric plus skew symmetric. So any square matrix can be written as symmetric plus skew symmetric. Okay, so any square matrix can be written as symmetric plus skew symmetric. And it is unique, so you cannot write either way. So, है ना? So sometimes we also call A is equal to P plus Q, where P and Q are unique actually. So every square matrix can be written as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix uniquely. So in this question, anyone has doubt? A मेरे पास ये है. So I wanted to calculate A plus A transpose and A minus A transpose. Just to justify that, A plus A transpose will be symmetric and A minus A transpose will be skew symmetric. So for any square matrix you can choose, always A plus A transpose will be symmetric, always, okay? And A minus A transpose will always be skew symmetric. And A matrix, every matrix can be written as a sum of symmetric plus skew symmetric matrix, uniquely, in a unique way. Okay, so if I write a question, or we have the question in book. Okay.
Sir, why is there half in the formula?
Yes. See, can we write like this? So can you write A as half of 2A? Is it correct?
Yes.
Then half 2A can be written as A plus A. This 2A can be written as A plus A. Then by our need, let me add and let me subtract A transpose. So this we have done here, we have added and subtracted. If you cancel it, you'll get the same thing. But I want to prove the formula. So now you separate half. A plus A transpose half A minus A transpose. Why I have written this? If you don't write half, you will not get equal to A. So A can only be obtained if you take half of this plus half of this. Then you'll get. So the whole matrix will be symmetric also. A plus A transpose is symmetric. You will multiply by half, again it will be symmetric. A minus A transpose, you will multiply by half, again is symmetric. Half is because you want to get A. So A can be written as half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. Or I started with LHS. You can start with RHS. You start solving RHS, take half common, and then you will at last you will get A only. That also can be justified. So what I'm telling, so you just simplify the RHS. You simplify RHS. You will get equal to A. That's why half. Okay. So there are 3 points. So I justify the same 3. So this said in a skew symmetric matrix, all diagonal elements are 0. For any square matrix A plus A transpose is symmetric and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as the sum of 2 square matrices of which one is symmetric and other is skew symmetric, like this. So A is B plus C, B is half A plus A transpose, C is half A minus A transpose. So you can verify A will be equal to B plus C. B plus C means half A plus A transpose, half A minus A transpose. Okay. Now, so example 6, you can see it's a verification. So how will you verify? So you have the book, you can see. So first you find A into B, then you take transpose. After taking, you find B transpose, you find A transpose, and then you multiply B transpose by A transpose. You will get the answer. So you can verify it, right? Find LHS and find RHS. Both you will get equal. Okay, you do this matrix, this question. Example 7, you can see, right? So express the matrix B as the sum of symmetric plus skew symmetric. So means you want to write B is equal to P plus Q, where P must be symmetric and Q must be skew symmetric. So you know the formula, okay? So when in exams you get this question, so express B as a symmetric, sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. You just do B is half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. I mean B here, so you write B in place of A. So what do? P is actually nothing but P is what? Half B plus B transpose. Q is nothing but half B minus B transpose. So you tell me using this B, tell me what is P and what is Q. So everyone please do this. So B I have, question is express the B as sum of symmetric, sum of and a skew symmetric. So I named it P and Q, P plus Q. P is symmetric, Q is skew symmetric. So P is half B plus B transpose. Q is half B minus B transpose. So you can do, right? So try and tell me the value of P and Q. So what is the matrix P? What is the matrix Q? You take first transpose, then you add and subtract and tell me the answer.
मुझे बताइए
सर B प्लस बी ट्रांसपोज और B माइनस बी ट्रांसपोज का आंसर आ गया, उसके बाद ये फॉर्मूला में भी डालना है।
यस यस, सो तुम्हें P फाइंड करना है, सो यू टेक हाफ ऑफ दैट, जो B प्लस बी ट्रांसपोज आया ना उसको हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, सो यू विल गेट P, so मतलब सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, एंड स्प्लिट सिमेट्रिक इज Q प्लस B माइनस बी, तुम्हें बस सम के फॉर्म में लिखना है खाली, ठीक है। सो B प्लस बी ट्रांसपोज हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई करके बताओ क्या है।
सर बोलूं आंसर?
बताओ।
सर हाफ को B प्लस बी टू से BT के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद आंसर है 2 माइनस 1.5 माइनस 1.5
ओके, 2
रो
मतलब
में रो
माइनस
में
हाफ, अच्छा एक मिनट, 1.5
हाँ
मतलब 3/2, सो माइनस 3/2 माइनस 3/2,
फिर माइनस 3/2 0 1
0 1,
और माइनस 3/2 1 माइनस 3
ओके,
और दूसरा B माइनस BT का 0 माइनस हाफ माइनस 5/2 माइनस हाफ
यस, माइनस हाफ के बाद माइनस हाफ 0 होगा, देन
3 माइनस 2.5 माइनस 3 और 0
Okay, so everyone please check.
आई
You
गेस वो ऊपर ये 0.5 और 2.5 है ना, लेफ्ट में वो पॉजिटिव है.
ये okay.
हाँ,
So everyone please check. Do you get the
लेफ्ट
same?
में, लेफ्ट में.
अच्छा ये वाला.
हाँ,
दोनों?
ये दोनों नीचे वाले.
ओके ओके, तो ये okay. So everyone please calculate. It's not difficult. Okay. So I think everyone can do it. यहाँ भी किया होगा देख लो. You just match. क्योंकि एग्जाम में सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा. एग्जाम में you have to do by yourself, है ना? You will have only this question. So B transpose they find it. The P is half B plus B transpose. So this is the answer. And Q is this. Yeah. So I think she said correct answer. So this is your Q. So this is verifying. You take transpose, you see, okay, Q transpose is minus Q. So they are verifying that Q is Q symmetric. And they have verified here P is symmetric. So P transpose is P. P transpose is P means P is symmetric. Okay. So that's what the way. So P plus Q you can verify is B only. Okay. So so that B transpose is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. So देखो ये जो है B transpose डैश में ट्रांसपोज लिखता हूँ. सपोज इसका नाम मैं C रख देता हूँ. तो क्वेश्चन है C सिमेट्रिक होगा या स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक होगा, ये डिपेंड करेगा A पे कि A सिमेट्रिक है या स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है. देखो तुम C ट्रांसपोज, तो मैंने एक फॉर्मूला बताया है, AB ट्रांसपोज इक्वल होता है B ट्रांसपोज इनटू A ट्रांसपोज के. AB C ट्रांसपोज होगा इक्वल होगा C ट्रांसपोज B ट्रांसपोज A ट्रांसपोज के. You can notice the order reverse है ना. When you take transpose of product, the order of the matrix reverse. So like ABC, CBA. So similarly, you take transpose of C. It will be B transpose, then A transpose, and then B transpose. So B transpose B. So B A transpose B transpose. Now notice C and notice this C transpose. So अगर A सिमेट्रिक हुआ, अगर A सिमेट्रिक हुआ तो A ट्रांसपोज A हो जाएगा. तुम देखोगे अगर A बराबर A ट्रांसपोज है तो you will see that C will be C transpose again. And अगर A बराबर माइनस A ट्रांसपोज है या A ट्रांसपोज अगर माइनस A है, you say in other way, then C will be minus of C transpose, or C transpose is going to be minus C. So means it's a very easy proof. Okay, just you take transpose. Now two cases: if A is symmetric, then C is symmetric. If A is skew symmetric, then C is skew symmetric. Using this, so in place of A transpose, you will use A once, so you will get C itself. In place of A transpose, you will use minus A. You will get C transpose is minus C. So try to do this at your own. Okay. So homework for today will be this example 8 and this practice self-practice problems. So you know these 2, 3, 4. So this is page number what 10. So until 10 you can finish all examples and all self-practice problems. So please finish till page 10, and then we'll continue from this in the next class with this determinant of a square matrix. So today we discuss transpose, skew symmetric and symmetric matrix. So everyone please whatever book you follow, like you must have this notes. So you go through this for first 10 pages, you finish all example concepts. Anywhere you feel difficulty, please ask in next class. Okay, that's all for today, I think. So anyone want to ask anything? So if you don't have any question, then we can okay, then that's all for today. Thank you.